welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to record emotional triggers in Dailyo. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to record emotional triggers in Dailyo, all you can do is simply go and tap open your Dailyo app. Once you have opened the Dailyo app, you need to first of all log your mood. Once you have logged in your mood and activities, honestly, you can then use the app's note section to add details about your trigger. You can simply go there and tap on like entries or like notes for your betterment and tracking of your mood. Now you can simply be detailed about it and log after events. You need to now identify patterns in the statistics. You need to check the activities tab or like analyze your mood trends and review long-term data. You can define your entries like customize activities and be honest about it. You need to review regularly and you can get a record of emotional triggers in Dailyo. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.